What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are leaving Flagstaff and we are heading towards Horseshoe Bend, which is like 2 hours drive, almost 107 miles I believe. And from there we are gonna go to Vegas, so which will be another 4 hours drive, 270 or 280 miles. So today it's gonna be a long day and a lot of driving, but we are also gonna stop at Horseshoe Bend and enjoy the view there. Right now I'm waiting for Rahul to come. Once he's back, well, I think he's there. So once he's in the car, we'll be leaving and we'll be stopping on the way to Subway to pick up 2 Subway sandwiches. So usually at these national parks, the food options are not available as of now because of COVID. They have closed down their cafeterias and they are working under less resources. So that's why we're gonna pick some food and we're gonna head there. It's 107 miles and I'm gonna drive again. Yesterday the road was really good, so I didn't realize it was the 2-hour drive was really quick. It was my first time driving for 2 hours and I think it's gonna be the same today, at least hoping. So I'll see you guys there. So we have another 86 more miles to go, and this road it's like an endless road and it's really bad. I can't go at more than 65 on this. The limit is 65, but I'm just driving at 60 because it's really bad. And the view has drastically changed. I've never seen crows this big. Supposedly it's a raven and not a crow. We still have 80 miles to go. We just took a very quick pit stop and we have Navajo Nation trails next to us. And this is like, we are in the middle of the desert. If you see, there is nothing around. There was a petrol pump there and it's just red sand and endless desert roads. So we are like 17 minutes away from the Horseshoe Bend. We stopped at this very beautiful and scenic road.
Riding bikes along the beach, squeaking sand beneath our feet. Water is so clear and blue, all my dreams are coming true. Days are hard and nights are long. I like singing you this song. Skinny dipping with the moon. Life's more fun when I'm with you.
I think this whole road has been really beautiful and very scenic. Now let's get to Horseshoe Bend and enjoy that view. So we are finally here at the Horseshoe Bend. There's a 20-minute walk till the Horseshoe Bend and then back. So that in all 40 minutes. Just taking last few sips of my coffee. It's almost over. It's not very cold, but it's windy. That's why I think wearing a jacket is the best. I was supposed to bring a few more jackets with me, but I think I forgot to put in the bag. So I am wearing this jacket everywhere. It's just beautiful around us.
Squeaking sand beneath our feet. Water is so clear and blue. All my dreams are coming true. Days are hard and nights are long. I like singing you this song. Skinny dipping with the moon. Life's more fun when I'm with you. These days.
So we saw the horseshoe from one of the sides, that's somewhere there, and now we are gonna go up there to get another view of Horseshoe. So let's go. So we are on the other side of the Horseshoe and this whole thing is just amazing. And I don't know how many millions of years it took to have this kind of structure here. We are going back now to the parking spot, another 20 minutes from here. So we are leaving from Horseshoe Bend. There is another spot in 15 minutes. If that's open, we are gonna spend a couple of minutes there and then we are gonna head straight to Nevada because it's already 3:30 right now and we need at least 4 hours. 4.5 hours without stops. So of course if we take spots, it's gonna be anywhere between 5 to 5.5 hours because we still haven't had our lunch. We had half Subway, so we still have the other half left. So we'll take a pit stop and finish that. So it's gonna be a long ride. Rahul is back on the driver's seat, so he's gonna drive from here. So let's see if that point is open. If not, then probably I'm gonna end the vlog here, because I think by the time I reach my Airbnb it will be really late. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give a big thumbs up. If you still haven't subscribed, then please go ahead and do that, and you can follow me on Instagram here. I'll see you guys very soon in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye.
You drank too much. You said I only want you, only want you. When we woke up, you were gone.